Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are great. Today, we are going to start with a new lesson. We are going to learn how to add fractions. Before we start with the lesson, we are going to refresh our mind and remember what do we mean by fractions. Fractions or fraction is parts of the whole when we divide it into equal parts. As you can see here, we have a circle and it's divided into four equal parts. So how can we write the fraction? We are going to count how many shaded parts do we have. Two parts, excellent. And how many parts in all? They are four. So the fraction is 2 over 4. Something else we learned is we call the shaded part as a numerator and the parts in all denominator. Okay? Today, inshallah, we are going to learn how to add fractions with the same denominator. Let's start. I want you to look at this rectangle. This rectangle is divided into how many parts? Excellent, into 5 equal parts. Okay, so let's count how many blue parts here do I have? How many blue parts? Excellent, we just have one blue part. How can represent this part? Excellent, 1 over 5. So we've just have one blue part, okay, and the parts in all are 5, so 1 over 5. Okay, how many green parts do we have? 1, 2. So they are 2. So how do we represent these parts? 2 over 5. Excellent. If we want to add this part, the blue one, with the green ones, so how many parts do we get? Let's add them. So when we add two fractions with the same denominators, we don't add the denominators, okay? We just add the numerator, okay? So the denominator here is 5, okay? So we don't add the denominator. We don't say 5 plus 5 equals 10. No, the denominator is the same, is still the same. We've just add the numerator. We've just add the numerator, okay? 1 plus 2 equals 3. So here we have 3 over 5, okay? So we've just add the numerator without adding the denominator. Let's move to question number 1. We are going to color and then find the sum. So number 1, we have this shape. It is a hexagon. It is divided into 6 parts, okay? So we are going to add 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6, okay? What we are going to do? We are going to color 2 parts in one color and the other 3 parts with other color. So we are going to color 2 parts in yellow and 3 parts in green. So let's start coloring. So I colored 2 parts in yellow. Then I'm going to color 3 parts with another color with green. So let's color 3 parts in green. Then I colored 3 parts with green. Now I'm going to add. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Excellent. And do we add the denominators? No. So the denominator is 6. So the sum is 5 over 6. Number 2, what we are going to do? We are going to color and then find the sum. So here we have a rectangle. It's divided into 8 equal parts. Okay. We are going to color 1 over 8, just one part in one color, and 4 over 8, another 4 parts with another color. So I'm going to color a part with orange. So I colored one part with orange and I'm going to color the 4 parts with blue. Now, after coloring the four parts, we are going to find the sum. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Excellent. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we don't add the denominator, so the denominator is 8. So 5 over 8. Okay, now we are going to fill the blank. Number 1, it is already answered. Number 2, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Excellent. And how about the denominator? Yes, we don't add them, so 11. 7 over 11. Number 3, 1 plus 7 equals 8. Excellent. And 14 plus what equals 14? What is the denominator? The denominator here? It is 14. Bravo. Number 4, 11 plus 2 equals 13. Excellent. And what is the denominator? It is 15. So 13 over 15. Number 5, 5 plus what equals 6? 5 plus 1. Excellent. And the last one, we are going to um, add a number to 10 and put the sum. So 10 plus what equals the number that you have. For example, you can put 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Okay, so here I'm going to write 2 and the denominator is 17. So 2 over 17. So 10 plus 2 equals 12 over 17. Okay? Um, on next page, we have on page 44, we are going to use the figure to find the sum. Here we have 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to draw a rectangle with the three parts, three equal parts. Then we are going to color one part with red and the two parts with blue or any color do you want. Then we're going to add 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3 over 3 because we don't add the denominator. Okay, the next one, the next one, here we have talk how to find the sum. um okay, so we are going to add 20, 12 plus 7, okay, over 23. So we are going to draw 23, a rectangle, and divide it into 23 parts, equal parts. Okay, then we are going to color 12 parts in orange and the 7 parts with yellow or any colors do you want. Okay, then we are going to find the sum. So here 12 plus 2 7, 12 plus 7 equals, yes, 19, equal 19. And what about the denominator? It is a 23. Yes, it is a 23. The next one, draw the story of 3 over 10 plus 6 over 10. First, we are going to draw a rectangle and it is divided into how many parts? 10. Excellent. And we are going to color 3 parts in pink and the 6 parts with purple or any color do you want. Now we're going to add 3 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. And do we add denominator? No, so the denominator is 10. So the answer is 9 over 10. So we just add the numerator and we don't add the denominator. Okay, so this is the end. Thank you.